Follow these steps to fix TikTok filters not working on iPhone. First, update your TikTok app. For that, launch your App Store. Now search with the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear cache for the TikTok app. For that, launch your TikTok app. Accumulated cache can cause performance issue, so you will need to clear it. Navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Head over to the options, settings and privacy. Now over here you're gonna find different option. Scroll down. Under cache in mobile, you'll find the option of free up space. Click on that. Click on clear for the cache. Click on clear. Likewise, next thing you wanna do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your phone. Press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. Next thing you want to do is reinstall your TikTok. For that, press and hold on the TikTok app. Click on Remove App. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete. After you delete the app, launch your App Store, search for the app TikTok and then install it. If none of these solutions work, report the problem to TikTok. For that, launch your TikTok. Now, navigate to the settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option Report Your Problem. Scroll all the way down, at the very bottom you'll find the option of Chat with Us. Click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Now over here you have to explain about the issue that TikTok filters are not loading and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. By following these steps, you should be able to use TikTok filters on your iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.